Hi, welcome to my 4th Christmas special. Today I'll show you the peanut butter and jelly cookies from my ebook 9 plant-based Christmas cookies. I first combine ground flax seeds and psyllium husks with water. They just need to soak for a few seconds. So in the meanwhile I steam my sweet potato cubes with a tiny bit of water in the microwave until they get soft. Okay, next I need a high-speed blender or food processor to grind my buckwheat groats and oats into a very fine meal. And the next step is super easy because I just need to combine all ingredients in there and blend them until I get a soft and sticky dough. I take away tablespoon-sized pieces and roll them into balls. I press them between my palms to flatten them slightly and form a crater with the back of a teaspoon or my thumb. Then I bake them for 20 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius, that's 320 degrees Fahrenheit. And after they had time to cool down, I fill the crater with homemade chia jam. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my upcoming video, plant-based coconut snowballs. You can find all recipe details in my 9 plant-based Christmas cookies ebook and even more recipes on my website. See you next time. Love, Kat.